Yo, 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 it's your boy Tommy-boi signing back in. And as always, you rock. Yeah, you watching this video, you rock. Anyway, so, as you can see, you can't. Um, I'll, hold up. I need to move. Actually, I was going to show you something before I do something. So, frick. So, I'm gonna switch over to my streaming. Now you can see what I see. I just wanted to show you something. I'll shrink this window. Why is there two windows? Okay. So I'm shrinking this window, right? What are you doing? Go live. See, look, I'm shrinking it. And then this stupid thing is just being stupid, and there's no way where I can okay, I pop this out, and then like what the is wrong with you? Dude, why do you have this stupid piece of garbage on the right side of my screen when I didn't ask it for it? Why, dude, what is this? I can pop out dashboard, which doesn't do, man. Like settings. What is this? What is this shit? No, I don't want a default overlay. I want you to stop being a piece of garbage. No. What is that? Webcam? No. God. Fine, whatever. I'll just close these damn windows. Okay, that was my little chill part of this, I guess. No. What is wrong with this stupid piece of garbage? What is this thing? Oh, it's catching up, I guess. It's a little bit laggy. Anyway, yeah, shut up, you piece of garbage. It's not saying, error, you need to change the video resolution. The current resolution is that, which is not supported for this freaking thing. And then you gotta, shut the hell up! Anyway, I'm gonna start coding. Okay, we're gonna do C++ because I like C++. Actually, we don't have to do C++. We could do C. So this is very similar in C. I can write my own malloc, right? No, yeah, operator new boy new. Bleh. No, I'm kidding. So I guess we can talk about Hello World as a starting point for coding. So for C, we have to include stdio.h, which means standard IO. We have to include that header, and then we can do print f hello world. And then I guess we could put a new line there. And then return 0. As you can see, we're not compiling a C standard. We're compiling in C++23, but we're right now coding in a subset of C++ that is compatible with C. Just pointing that out. I could change it to the C language, but it doesn't matter right now. Okay. Technically, you don't have to do this. We could do puts. P-U-T-S. That's put string. And by the way, printf does that, but printf allows you to. So that's basically the same thing as doing this. It allows you to do stuff like that. That's printf, right? Those are two versions of things for C, right? To do it in the C++ way, though, we would do this, and then do this, right? You might see sometimes this, which is okay, but the problem with this, so end-L is end line, right? This is short for std flush, Well, hold up. It's short for new line and then a std flush. That's what it's short for. Hold up. We can do this. We can do, hold up. We can do std and L, which is technically short for here. That's short for new line character and std flush. But we can also just ignore the std flush. And then that's technically the C thing before this is okay. Let's comment this. C style hello world pre C++ 23 hello world. Now post C++ 23 hello world. So this requires something called the print library. Print. And what you can do then is std print line. That's what println means. Hello world. Alright. Does the same thing as that garbage up here, right? So technically, let's clean this up. That's one version. The other version is std cout hello world new line std flush. That's a shortcut for it. And then we have hello world, just new line. Then we have this, right? We also have another way we can do it. And we can use format strings, or F strings, or whatever you want to call them. Oh. I can do that. Same thing. It's actually the same thing as this printf right here, right? Puts is similar to this, but it's actually, it would include the new line. Okay, so we can do that. We can do this. We can do std print. We can also do std print that one. All right. These are equivalent. These are all equivalent. So let's see what happens when we print all these. We get, huh? Oh. Hee hee. There we get 1,000,000 hello worlds. What do you mean? I guess puts actually has a new line. Whoa. Who would have thunk, man? Puts is actually very unsafe. So, see if we go to the formatting library. This is what print and print line use, right? As you can see, std print. Std print pass sprint. So yeah. We can do printing. So we're gonna get rid of all that and this. So include string. You can also do a string version. Hello world. Hello world. And then printf. Actually, we can do print string. Aw, yeah. I'm so cool. Hello World is new. Hello World is this newfangled stuff in Z++. Yeah. So we're gonna do a similar thing here. We're gonna include string.h. What in the absolute hell was that? Okay. Anyway, what I was trying to do before I got jump scared by stuff. So here's another C style stuff. So char hello world. Let's allocate 32 bytes for this, and then we can we can and then we can put hello world. It's not going to do anything useful. It's just going to be a blank. See, it's just a blank string, right? What you could do is do a thing called stir copy. Actually, stir and copy. Hello world. Hello world. Size of. Yeah, size. I guess I could do size of. Hello world. Maybe. Look at that. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. And of course you can do printf. So the magic here is that there's actually the way stern copy works here. It's basically doing this. Hello world equals h. Hello world equals e. Hello world equals LL space or LD exclamation point. R-O-W. Now that's walking off the array here. Alright, so that's basically what this is doing. So, and then we have to do hello world 12 equals 0. Or that. We can just do that. 0. Which is a null character. This is how C can basically say this is the end of the string. And that's why if you try to do stir copy, hello world, and then you do hello world, that is the equivalent of doing the line below it. However, this is unsafe in a way, because actually what's really unsafe is doing this. So we have a char source. I'm going to call it source. Right? Source. Actually, let's do this. Char source 32 dest 32 donation. And I guess we could just keep hello world there so we don't piss off C here. Okay, so this, fine, whatever. So these two things are equivalent. This is equivalent. Okay, so this is the safe way to do it, right? That these two lines are basically equivalent. This janky array assignment is also equivalent. And also we could do we can also do something like this. Const char hello world, right? And then print hello world. Yep. Alright, so this, I'm going to show you the dangers of C strings here. So we have a character array source and a character array destination, right? So let's fill up our source with some data, right? I mean, we could fill it up with hello world. So for std, pardon the C style here, or C++ style kind of stuff here, size of hello world, right? Plus I. So we'll do source I equals hello world I, right? Fine. I'll just do fine, I'll do std size t. Fine. Destination. So if I stir copy source destination, this is fine, and I can put destination into the buffer. Oh, I misspelled there. I can put, see, that's cool. Wow. I messed up. It's destination source, actually. Oh, that's hilarious. Huh. Actually, that's not hilarious. I've proven my point about the null terminator. That'll give you hello world. What do you mean? Oh, that's my B. My B. My B. Give me the proper thingy. My B. It's not the same. There. Anyway. Proof that stuff can be problematic. So we have these two things. That's safe, right? Now let's do a mem set of source with the value 1 size of source, right? All right. Then we stir copy destination source. This is a very big problem. And then try to puts. I guess it's still smart enough to... What is it doing here? I basically cleared out the array. Well, put it this way. How big is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so it's about 40-ish characters. This is undefined behavior. I'm curious why it's giving me that. I stir copy and not stir cat. Anyway, so the biggest issue is that you have to keep track of the null terminator. You got to keep track of the size. You have to do all this garbage that you don't really need to do. And C++ realizes this, and it gives you something called standard string. So I can do this, and I think I showed you this before. Hello world, right? And I can put hello world. I lied, I can't. Well, I can. It's called .data, but that's beside the point. I can do a C-style version of it. I also can, if I include, I'm gonna include C oh, is that it? Yeah. C string. I don't really need C string. I guess C lib. Yeah, it's a C IO would bring it up. Actually, if I do IO stream too, so I can also do C out. Hello world. Why am I doing that one? Hello world, right? And then put a null terminating character, a new line. I mean, because it does the same thing. So nice thing about string is that you can. It's a container that has a lot of things. Like you can do hello world dot size. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's declared with fine. Screw you. Oh. It's yelling at me for no discard. That's lovely. Yeah, I'm where wall where Wextra Whippedantic. Oh no. Oh, by the way, that's the decompiled code. Fine. There, I used them. Shut up. That's how you use parameters. So we can just do define use x void x, right? So then we can say use argv or c. Actually, you could can't I do var arg? Use argv. Anyway, and then we can do hello world. Right. So, cool thing. Cool stuff, right? Cool stuff. So, another thing I want to show you is, okay, so I have this. This is a list of strings to process. This is some command line arguments that I can use, so iterate through, so I can do std size t I equals 0, I is less than argc. And then we can, instead of doing this stuff, we can include print again. And we can do std print line argv I forgot. It's a format strings, bruh. My computer's yelling at me for low battery. Probably should plug this thing in soon. And then argc, and then argv. There. Scheisse. No, I'm gonna just do this. What are you yelling at me? Fine. A-hole. There. See? You can process these however you want. So that's how you can process command line arguments and stuff like that. It's pretty cool. There's other things. I got 10%, 10%. Hmm. Anyway, uh, I guess what I could do is I need to really think about, like, I want to do some stuff with programming, um, like in a way programming something from scratch. That would be nice. Not using Scratch. That's a garbage language. I'm joking. It's a good. Wait, do we have Scratch here? No. Anyway, I will probably call it here. Um. Anyway, please like, share, and subscribe for more nonsense. And it's your boy Tommy-boi signing out. Peace, peeps. Views too. Somebody's actually viewing my stuff. Wow. Maybe that's just me. Anyway, bye. I'll I'll, I'll probably do. I might go inside, get my laptop charger, and come back out here and plug it in. Anyway, bye.